Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7's improvements start with the looks. This is the ultimate refinement of Pixel, simplifying the parts and construction to make a phone that's sophisticated and distinct. Pixel 7 has a silky matte finish on the aluminum camera bar and housing with three color options. It features a sharp 6.3-inch display with smaller bezels and 25% higher peak brightness for incredible outdoor visibility during the day. Pixel 7 also includes a great all-day battery with up to 72 hours between charges when you use extreme battery saver mode. It sports a dual rear camera system, as well as an upgraded ultra-wide front-facing camera with a larger sensor for better nighttime selfies and stunning 4K video. And we're taking the Pixel lineup to new heights with Pixel 7 Pro. You can see the premium polished aluminum finish on the camera bar and housing, which complements its three colors. Pixel 7 Pro has an upgraded, super sharp 6.7-inch display. With its variable refresh rate, you get responsive gaming and smooth scrolling without killing your battery. Pixel 7 Pro has a triple rear camera system, featuring upgraded telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. Its front-facing ultra-wide camera is great for low-light selfies, videos, and more. And the front camera has another role to play. Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro's front camera uses our advanced machine learning models for face recognition to power face unlock. With Tensor G2 at its core, Pixel 7 is the best smartphone for voice assistance. When your phone understands your voice, it opens up so many more possibilities. On Pixel 7, assistant voice typing will automatically suggest relevant emoji to insert, while Pixel 7 can now use Google's advanced speech recognition model to transcribe your audio messages right in the Message app, so you can quickly skim them. So Pixel 7 is designed to be the best phone for actual phone calling. Pixel devices are the only phones with Pixel Call Assist, a suite of features that helps with everything from making calls to avoiding them. With Pixel 7, the Direct My Call experience gets even easier. Instead of listening to a long recorded message describing each option, you'll see a list of menu options right away. You can tap the option you want even before it's spoken. Coming in a feature drop later this year, clear calling will make it even easier to hear the other person at the other end of the line. The suite of Pixel Call Assist features is the perfect example of Tensor G2 and Google's state-of-the-art AI coming together in Pixel 7 to deliver an elevated smartphone experience.
We are proud to say Pixel is still the most inclusive camera. Pixel 7 also improves the accessibility of Pixel's camera. Finding that perfect angle for a selfie can be particularly challenging for blind and low vision users. Pixel 7 can solve that with our new guided frame.
One face. Move your phone slightly left and down. Move your phone slightly right and up. Ready for selfie. 3, 2, 1. Photo taken. One face.
With the added accessibility of guided frame and the inclusivity and accuracy of real tone, we are continuing our ongoing mission to build a more equitable experience across our camera. But cameras have always struggled to get a clear photo, especially when your kids won't hold still or when there's not enough light in the room at a party. Pixel 7 and Tensor G2 can fix that. So it's easier than ever to take crisper, sharper images, no matter how challenging the scene might be. Even during the day, if your hand or your kids are moving too much or your focus isn't perfect, you'll get blurry images. Pixel 7 fixes that by automatically fusing images from the ultra-wide and main cameras together to help ensure faces are clear. With our highest quality video stabilization technology, Tensor G2 brings together hardware and software to help you get pro-looking videos that capture the moment and not your movement.
Google Pixel Tablet. It's a perfect companion to your Pixel phone and all your smart home devices. We designed Pixel Tablet with premium materials and finishes, as well as smooth, rounded corners, to make it an unmistakable part of the Pixel family. The gorgeous display means you can immerse yourself in your favorite shows, video calls, games, photos, and more. The foundation for the Pixel tablet is Android, including Material U, so you can completely personalize it with custom color palettes, new color variants based on your wallpaper and lock screens. And just as our Pixel phones have always been the best and purest expression of Android, Pixel tablet is the best way to experience Android on a tablet. This is also the first time we're bringing the power of Google Tensor G2 to an all-new form factor. With Tensor G2's advanced image processing and machine learning, Pixel Tablet has a whole new level of personalized intelligence and understanding. That means your favorite Pixel phone features like video calling, photo editing, and hands-free help with Google Assistant will work seamlessly on a large screen device. It reimagines how a tablet can actually be helpful all the time in your home by pairing it with a new charging speaker dock. Ta-da! We'll take a moment. It keeps your devices charged and makes your tablet helpful 24/7, and it unlocks a whole new set of experiences in the home. The enhanced audio experience from a speaker lets me enjoy my favorite show while I'm cooking in the kitchen, or have an impromptu dance party with my daughter. The hands-free help from the assistant is of course a lifesaver. Like saying, "Hey Google, play classical music" when I want to relax at the end of the day. My Pixel tablet also gives me easy control of all my smart home devices, so I can turn the lights off in the house, set the thermostat to the perfect sleep temperature without ever getting out of bed. And of course, the dock itself serves as a charger, so your tablet is always ready for hours of entertainment. And we took special care to tune the magnets so it can easily dock or undock the Pixel tablet. And when it's in your hand, the premium nano ceramic finish is both beautiful and comfortable. The Pixel tablet is designed to seamlessly transition from being a delightful part of your home to an entertainment device that you can take anywhere, making it one of the most versatile and adaptable tablets ever. And we can't wait to share more when it's available next year.
Pixel Watch features a beautiful custom-developed 3D cover glass that's tough and scratch-resistant, and the curved form makes it unique and inviting. With Pixel Watch, you can simplify your life with the best of Google on your wrist. Adjust your thermostat from your watch with the Google Home app. Listen to your favorite artists with YouTube Music, whether you're on a run, without your phone, or just running an errand. Set your favorite Google Photos images as a custom watch face. See quick notifications from Gmail and Calendar. Make checkout and transit a breeze with Google Wallet. Get turn-by-turn directions directly on your watch with Google Maps. And with Google Assistant, you can use your voice to do quick actions like sending messages, setting timers, controlling your music, and starting your run. Pixel Watch is also the first Wear OS device with Fitbit. It's a powerful pairing combining Google's expertise in designing helpful experiences for billions of people with the best health and fitness insights from Fitbit. Pixel Watch uses a combination of on-device machine learning and deep optimization down to the processor level to give you an accurate measurement of your heart rate continuously at once per second. You'll be able to assess your heart rhythm for AFib with the ECG app and provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones with emergency SOS. And fall detection is coming in 2023 to detect hard falls and alert emergency services on your behalf. Google Pixel Watch starts at $349 and it's available for pre-order today and on shelves starting next week. And enjoy 3 months of YouTube Music Premium on us in addition to the 6 months of Fitbit Premium.
They're available for pre-order starting today and on shelf next week.